G'day, it's Jane from Thread My Bobbin, and I'm now trying to catch up on Moda Blockheads 6. So there'll probably be a few videos coming a bit closer together than usual over the next 2 weeks. Today's video is Carousel Waltz by Camille Roskelley of Thimble Blossoms. Yeah, Thimble Blossoms, I really like their stuff. Okay. Now I've got lots of half square triangles in this, and I think it's going to be a pretty quick block to put together. Now you can draw the lines on the back of the squares if you like, or you can simply cut the squares in half. That's what I do. I just find it much quicker. So I've cut all the squares that are going to be half square triangles in half before I start. What I'm going to do is just put them all together now, line them up, and then piece them. I'm not sure why they do this and have, I don't know why they don't just say make 2 blocks, because then you end up with all these letters, and then when you get over it in the back and you're reading all these letters, I find that quite confusing. Anyway, that's just an aside. Let's start putting these together. And then with C and D, it's the same. Just put those together, and then you just chain piece everything that needs to go together at once. Do it all in one hit. Much quicker. So they're joined together. I'm going to press them now, and then I'll be back and we'll put the pinwheel together. Okay, so now that they're pressed, I'm just going to trim off these little extra triangles there, just to reduce a bit of bulk. And then we'll make this one into the pinwheel. If you love pinwheels, I made a really nice quilt years ago, one of Bonnie Hunter's free patterns, pinwheels and something. Oh, gorgeous. That's a pattern I'd like to make again. So we'll put the pinwheel together. I like this block. I think this might be definitely one that I will make 2 of when I get caught up. So I'm just going to join that, you know, and then trim it to size before we put the rest of it together. We'll just lay it out, see how it looks. Okay, so they join up with their colours. Just pressing that one to that side, leaving them joint, leaving the thread there, and that one to that side so they nest together. And then just pop that to make it lie flat. That's the only thing with these, you have such a so many seams in the center, so you just kind of twist it and you'll get that in the center. And then what I'll also do is go and press that flat. So this needs to be 3.5, so let's check that. There's quite a bit to cut off actually, more than I would have thought. Alright, so we've trimmed that, so that's 3.5 to 3.5. Now I'm going to join these, I'll join this middle row. Oh, keep putting it the wrong way. And I think I must have, when I cut these, must have allowed a fraction extra on those, some of those squares. Because I cut this out a while ago. It's a month since I've done anything. Oh, it's a lovely, lovely block. So here's my finished block. I'm quite happy with how it turned out. It was quick and easy to sew actually. I'm going to now get started on catching up on the rest of the blocks, so you'll probably see another video tomorrow. Let me know how you're going with Blockhead 6. Have you been able to keep up, or are you behind as well? Okay, I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.